Hey, to use sound equalizer of your SONY ULT Wear headphones, all you have to do is just to grab your smartphone and then open the SONY application, move to the sound. Now you have to scroll and you will find the sound equalizer just right here under the ambient sound control. So we can click here to open it, and as you can see we can find first the manual mode, and if you want to adjust the manual mode you have to click on the settings. And from this you can actually adjust this equalizer to your own preferences by clicking like this. And below we can also find the bass control. So we've got the Alt feature, and you can adjust the normal clear bass. You've got Alt 1 and Alt 2nd. And then you can go back. But also you can find for sure the custom 1, custom 2nd. You can turn off the equalizer, and you can find some presets just from this, and still you can adjust these presets to your own preferences. And this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.